So I am going to make me some chili, and I'm showing you my ground beef that I bought today, and I have an onion, bell pepper, some tomato sauce, kidney beans, chili mix that I'm not going to use, and some chili powder, tomato paste, seasoning salt. So let's get into it. So now I'm cutting up my bell peppers. And next I'll be cutting up my onion. And chopped it up real fine. And then I'm going to mix it with my ground beef. Place my seasoning, my black pepper, my seasoning salt. Mix it together. I added some celery salt. Mix together, place in my pot, let my meat get brown, and the seasoning that I placed get in there. Then I'm going to add some cumin inside of there and some red peppers or crushed peppers because I like spice. So as it simmers, I'm going to add my chili powder. Now I have added it to my pot, and somehow I lost some footage, but I put all the other the tomato sauce, and so now I'm about to make my cornbread. As you can see, I have my bowl. I'm making my Jiffy mix, my 1 egg, and 2% milk. Can't have chili without cornbread, right? And you guys, I'm telling you, I do not measure. So if you've noticed that I just pour seasoning or whatever, I never measure. I don't measure anything. So that's just a thing for me that I do not measure, okay? It's just like by whatever I think is the right thing or enough, okay? And my taste, that's what I do. So you guys, I am waiting for my dish to finish. My cornbread is in the oven, but I just wanted to say, if this is something that you wanted to see, me like being me, I think I'm going to show some more videos of my lifestyle and what it is that I do. So if you enjoyed this video, give a girl a thumbs up. And of course, you know, subscribe, and you have an amazing day, okay? All right, I'm out.